this is Bear Grass soap. We are going to make 2 essential oil blend soaps today. We are going to do Farmhouse, which is our own personal blend, and Awaken. Awaken is a blend that our old market manager at our farmer's market, she actually came up with this blend. She requested it, and it's been a really good seller. So we're going to get started. We're going to start with Awaken and then do Farmhouse. I'll go ahead and get all this pulled out. Hopefully you can see. Let's see here. This one is Awaken. And what I do is each soap gets a card with the name of what I'm making and the date it was made. What I will do after I have made the soap, I will come back and I will write on the back the colors I used and the essential oils that I used. And then that'll stay with the soap until it's ready to be cut. Or until it's cured, excuse me, not ready to be cut until it's cured. So what I just put in, this is my essential oil blend and my goat's milk. We're gonna give this a whiz around. I'll move this a little bit more out of the way. About to forget my goggles. Now we're going to add our lye mixture. We're going to get this emulsified. I'm going to pour off a little bit. Let's do a little bit more. Okay. This is Mad Micah's Lounge Lizard. Lounge Lizard is one of my favorite ones. And this is another one, favorite one. I think it's chartreuse. I'm not sure what that is, but I like it. the side. This is going to be a day of where things want to move fast, so we're going to have to move fast. I like my soap a little bit more liquidy than this. I do apologize now. When I get the soaping, I forget to speak. This is going to be one of these days where everything wants to move fast, but that's fine. We'll work with it. Most likely, today's goat's milk had a lot of sugar in it. That's usually how that goes. Okay, let's see here. Nope, it's not going to do it that way, so we're going to do it this way. It's getting too thick. Chopstick. I know these are not the prettiest greens, but I wanted it to have an earthy green kind of a look to it, so I'm happy with that. Okay, we're going to get a rag and we are going to wipe up okay. We're going to move this one to the side. And now we're going to do farmhouse. Again, this is my essential oil blend. And my goat's milk measured out. give this a whirl around. Get our bowl for pouring off. And we're going to pour in our lye water. I'm pretty sure I am not in frame right now, so let's see what we can do. Okay. Set that off to the side. We're again using Mad Mica Steelworks. These are not my favorite spatulas, but I have managed to hide my favorite ones from myself. And that's what happens when you deep clean. I hide things from myself. Okay. And I don't always do my designs the same. I do try to keep my colors the same. But sometimes I may do an in-pot swirl. Sometimes I may do a drop swirl. It all depends on my mood and how creative I feel that day. Let's pour it over the edge. Clean that up in just a minute. It's going to be a messy day. I see it already. It's typical Monday. I'm very out of practice with the camera. So y'all just bear with me for a little while until I can get myself back on track with being able to do two things at one time. This is a very lovely, fresh scent. Very good to, it's a nice bar to have in the kitchen. It's a nice kitcheny, fresh, herby smell. So I tell y'all, I can't do 3 things at one time. Can't scrape and talk. But let's get that down a little bit. And let's get it swirling. Okay, bring that down a little bit more. Wipe it up. And we are ready to go, and we will come back and cut these tomorrow. Alright, so we have Farmhouse and Awaken. Awaken is a nice, fresh, green, minty scent. Energizing kind of a scent. This is an essential oil blend, and this one here is also an essential oil blend. Farmhouse is a very herby, fresh, green, kitcheny kind of smell, garden kind of smell. I will get better at scent description. I'm working on it. So we will be back later to cut these and show you what the inside looks like. We'll be back later.